So here we have a set of Street Cannon mufflers by Screamin' Eagle for the 2017 and up Harley touring bikes, the Roadking, Roadglide, Streetglide, Electraglide, you name it. These are 4.5 inches, baffled. They are moderate in sound. They only fit the stock head pipe, so you got a 1 3/4 inch on one side and 2 1/4 on the other. If you want to run louder pipes, I would not recommend these. These are not very loud at all. I will post a video at the end showing what they sound like on a bike. As you can see, they're in really good condition. They're used. They're sitting on eBay. Once they're gone, they're gone. I had a set of these on a 2017 Roadglide, and for my purposes, I didn't need a very loud exhaust. Loud exhaust would have woke up the neighbors, shook the windows. If you want that, your best bet is to go with some CFRs and some True Duals. Those will definitely shake the neighbor's house and set off every single car alarm in the neighborhood when you're taking off. These won't. These are nice and baffled and seemingly quiet. But you can see these are in good shape. They're sitting on eBay, ready to buy, ready to ship. And I'll post a link in the description to get these and all our other exhaust parts and a video with how they actually sound. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe.